Okay, so now we put the vegetables inside. So we're just about ready to get going. I put the carrots and the lettuce and everything else in here, so we've got it all. Going to put in a little Himalayan salt. This is very good tasting salt, so we'll put a little of that in there just to kind of add for flavor. We can always add more later. And some of this flower pepper. We'll just crack some of that in there. Again, we can always add that in later, and we can use regular pepper if we want. So I got all my vegetables in, except we can't use this one because that's for me. Okay, so now we're going to put the lid on. Remember, this little triangle matches up with this triangle. Put it in there, push it down, put it down till it clicks. It's now clicked in place. Now, I don't know if you're nervous, but I am. So we're going to start by hitting the pulse button. So let's see what this does. Ready?
Try the...
No, I got to put the power on first. Okay. No. Okay, now the pulse.
Now we're ready.
So you can see the pulse just like it pulses. Now I'm going to hit the blend. Shall we go for blend?
Let's do it.
Here goes. Sucking everything down. See how it's pulling the spinach down? The vegetables being sucked down into it.
You might have
We're going to stop it because perhaps we need to persuade some of this upper stuff to go in. We're new at this, so it's an experiment for all of us. And I'm using a little wood spoon because you saw what happened to my thumb earlier. So you got to be real careful with this. Okay. So wow, this is really doing a job on these vegetables. Holy moly! Look at that. Okay, I think this will do it. Again, put this on. Lock it. Hear the click. Put the power on, and I'm going to hit 2, which is blend. Ready? Here we go. Now we're going to take this thing off, and we're going to have a little drink. So stand by.